Hi, I'm Eugene and welcome to Ultimate Cars. This is a 2012 Toyota Yaris. It's a 1 litre petrol with €200 road tax. It's been fully serviced in our own workshop and it has NCT until the end of 2022 with only 101,000 kilometres, which is just over 60,000 miles. It has been freshly valeted and comes with 2 keys, remote central locking, power steering, a CD player, auxiliary input for your music, electric adjustable mirrors, electric windows and a decent boot too. 12 months warranty is included, but this may be extended to 24 months warranty if required. The warranty booklet may be downloaded from our website ultimatecars.ie. We are located on Colleen Road, Dublin 10. We may be readily found on Google Maps, but please call prior to coming to view. In short, this is a good clean Toyota Yaris 1 litre with loads of NCT and 12 months warranty. I'm Eugene. Call me on 01 6260 722. Thanks for watching.